Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play King of Tokyo Duel. First, set up the game board between two players. Each player chooses a unique monster, setting their health dial to its starting value. Place the fame and destruction markers on the central spaces of their tracks. Shuffle the power cards, dealing 3 face-up to form the market. Keep the energy cubes, dice tokens, and buzz tokens within easy reach. To decide who goes first, both players roll all 6 dice. The one with the most claw symbols begins, and the other player receives 1 energy cube. Your turn in King of Tokyo Duel unfolds in 4 distinct phases. You begin by rolling dice. On your very first turn, you'll roll 5 dice, but in all subsequent turns, you'll roll 6. Like a classic dice game, you can choose to re-roll any number of your dice up to 2 more times, aiming for the best combination. Before your initial roll, you can also spend dice tokens to add up to 2 extra beige dice, potentially rolling a total of 8 dice for that turn. After rolling, you resolve your dice symbols. Each claw deals 1 damage to your opponent, while each heart heals 1 of your own life points, up to your starting health. Lightning bolts grant you 1 energy cube each. If you roll 3 matching fame or destruction symbols, you move that marker 1 space towards you, with additional symbols moving it further. Exclamation points activate your monster's unique special power. Finally, you can spend energy cubes to buy power cards from the market, or simply gain 1 energy cube if you prefer. Victory in King of Tokyo Duel can be achieved in one of 3 exciting ways, and the game ends immediately when any condition is met. You win if you reduce your rival's life points to 0, eliminating them from the game. Alternatively, you can claim victory by moving both the fame and destruction markers into the designated spotlight zones on your side of the board. Finally, if you manage to pull either the fame or destruction marker all the way to its victory space on your side, you also win.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.